Oh, tubers, why that is on the charger. As you can see, I got it on charger right there. Let it charge the battery up. We're gonna do a cold start on my push mower. See what happens in the cold. And we'll do a cold start on this weed whacker. I really don't like it. I'm gonna kill it eventually somehow. So I'm gonna do cold start on that and cold start on this. So let's see what happens with this. Let's see. Oh, whatever. Alright, it's primed. Why is he stuck? For some reason she's stuck, tubers. I gotta figure that out. I'll figure it out on off camera. Let's try this weed whacker for now. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Is it good? Turn. Sorry, tubers, the camera's right there. Count how many times I do this. It looks like this doesn't want to start either. Huh. We almost got it. Almost got it. Alright, tubers, count how many times I had to do that. Huh? Oh, she stalled out. Well, at least she started up. Better than that thing. Let me figure out what's going on with that. And I'll be right back with you, okay? See ya.